Hello guys, welcome to another video of spares repairs. I'm Gino and today we have a Skoda Fabia. Skoda Fabia in today. It's done 80,000 miles on the clock and it's in for an oil change. Just like to thank everyone that subscribed so far and viewed the content. If you haven't yet subscribed and watching the videos, please subscribe in the link below and let's crack on with this video. Come on. These are the parts that I'll be using today. Right, so we're underneath the vehicle now, and I'm going to drain the oil from the sump plug here. I'm going to drain it, and to get to the oil filter, there's a under tray here, which is held on by these T25s bolts. Once they're all removed from the car, then you can be able to see the oil filter. Another way of taking off these oil filters is if you can get your hand right down into it. You can see here the oil filter is already removed without taking the under tray off, and all the old oil goes into the receptacle down there. Now putting the oil filter on, the new oil filter. Just put a film of oil around the seal, and now I'm going to put my hand down the engine to locate the thread and put it on hand tight. Tightening torque for the oil filter is 20 Newton meters. And that's the end of the video. Oil levels topped up, oil filter and sump plug are torqued up to correct spec, levels are all topped up, tyre pressures are all done. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.